Santosh Yadav is the first woman in the world who has climbed Mount Everest twice. She was born in a society where a son was considered as a blessing and a daughter was not welcome. Once a holy man visited the family to bless Santosh's mother with a son, but Santosh's grandmother told him that they wanted a daughter. Santosh was the only sister to her five elder brothers. She was born in a small village in Joniawas of Rawari district in Haryana.
Santosh's name means contentment or satisfaction, but she was never satisfied with the traditional life of her society. She started to live her life according to her own terms from a very early age. When other girls of society wore traditional dress, Santosh wore shorts.
While her brothers were educated properly in good school, she was sent to the local village school because of the family custom. Santosh decided to fight the system when Santosh's parents wanted to get her married at the age of 16 as per the old tradition. Santosh refused to marry and threatened parents that she would not get married until she get a proper education. She left home and got admission in a school in Delhi. Initially, her parents refused to pay the fees but later agreed because Santosh threatened them that she would work part time to pay the fees.
Santosh passed her high school and got admission in Maharani College in Jaipur. Her room in the Kasturba hostel faced the Aravali hills. She used to see some villagers going up the hills and then disappearing after some time. One day, she checked herself to know where the climbers were disappearing. She found that those people were mountaineers. They motivated Santosh to take interest in climbing.
Santosh was a determined girl and she took admission in Nehru Institute of Mountaineering without informing her parents in Uttarkashi. Santosh went on expeditions every year. She developed climbing skills and an amazing immunity to cold and high altitude. Her hard work and determination led her to climb Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world in 1992. She was only 20 years old when she first climbed Mount Everest. Apart from her mountaineering skills, Santosh also impressed her seniors with her humanity, her concerns for others, and her desire to work together as a team made her a special person.
After a year of her first success, Santosh joined an Indo-Nepalese women's expedition and again climbed Mount Everest. She became the first woman to climb Mount Everest twice. Her achievements brought glory to her and also gave India a unique place in mountaineering. She was awarded by Padma Shri by the Indian government. Santosh Yadav is not only a mountaineer, but she also an environmentalist. She collected 500 kgs of garbage from the Himalayas.
Maria Sharapova was born in Siberia, Russia. She was a calm, confident, and friendly teenager who reached the top position in only 4 years.
Maria's journey inspired many youngsters. She believes that all the sacrifices that she had made were worth it. Maria's way of answering clearly indicated her confidence. For her, hard work is the mantra for success. Maria wishes to play in the Olympics for Russia because she is a Russian by birth. Her other hobbies are fashion, singing, and dancing. She loves reading and she is very fond of evening gowns.
At the training center,
At the
Maria was
training
the
center,
youngest
Maria
child
was
and
the
she
youngest
was
child and
bullied
she
by
was
others.
bullied by
Her
others.
experience
Her
during the
experience
training
during the
period made
training
her
period
more
made
determined
her
and
more
tough. She
determined
struggled
and
hard
tough.
and learned
She
to take
struggled
care of
hard
herself.
and learned
She
to
was
take care
determined to
of
reach her
herself.
goals so
She
that
was
never
determined to
thought
reach
about
her goals,
quitting.
or
Her
so
strong
she never
determination
thought
and
about
willpower
quitting.
made her win
Her
in
strong
women's single
determination
crown
and willpower
at
made her
Wimbledon
win the
in
women's single
2004.
crown
In
and
2005, she became the
at
number one
Wimbledon in
woman tennis player in
2004.
the world.
In 2005,
Maria's
she
journey
becomes the
towards
number
becoming the biggest
one
woman tennis
woman
player
tennis player in the world.
started when she was 9 years old. She went to America to get formal training. In her journey to Florida, only her father went with her. Her mother could not accompany them because of visa restrictions. She had to live without her mother for 2 years. She missed her mother very much, and her father could not give her much time as he was earning hard to earn money for her training.
Maria's talent, determination, and readiness to sacrifice led her to the path of success and fame.